Understanding superheat and subcooling is key if you want your air conditioner or heat pump to run smoothly without wasting cash or breaking down. Okay, so superheat is all about making sure the refrigerant vapor in your system is completely evaporated before it heads back to the compressor. Subcooling means the liquid refrigerant is cooled below its condensing temperature, which helps it absorb more heat once it evaporates again. If you want your cooling system to be efficient, you gotta check these numbers right. Start by using a temperature gauge on the suction line to check superheat. Too low or too high means your system's off balance. For subcooling, measure the temperature on the liquid line and compare it to the condensing temperature. If it's not right, your system might have too much or too little refrigerant. Always remember, small adjustments can make a big difference. Plus, doing this regularly saves you from surprise repair bills and huge energy costs. It's all about keeping things balanced so your unit isn't working harder than it needs to. One of the biggest mistakes people make with superheat and subcooling is overcharging or undercharging their system with refrigerant. Overcharging causes high energy usage because the compressor has to work extra hard, plus it can damage equipment over time. Undercharging leads to reduced cooling performance and can cause the compressor to overheat, risking serious breakdowns. Another common issue is ignoring these readings altogether, which means you miss early signs of trouble and end up with way bigger problems. Finally, trying to adjust refrigerant levels without the right tools or know-how often makes things worse instead of better. The fix? Always follow manufacturer guidelines or get a pro involved, and use proper gauges for accurate readings. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like superheat and subcooling checks, right? Saving you hassle and money. For contractors, it's a solid way to find work and build a reputation with people who need real help around their homes.